You can use your Redmi Watch 5 Lite or your Redmi Watch 5 Active to find the phone that is paired to this watch. Now if you've misplaced your phone, as long as it's within Bluetooth proximity of the watch, you can use it by simply swiping up from the bottom of the watch face and selecting this option, this icon right here. You can tap on it. It's going to notify you that your phone will ring. So tap on search to find your phone. And your phone is going to ring. So you can stop once you find it. And that's basically how to find your phone using the Redmi Watch 5 Lite or your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, your phone needs to be within Bluetooth proximity, as I just said, otherwise this will not work. Thanks for watching the video. Take care and God bless.